Assalamualaikum. How are you, class 7? I am your teacher. Miss Iram Zulfikar. How are you? कैसे हैं आप सब? आराम से आप लोगों ने छुट्टियां गुजारी हैं। अब हम जो है वो अपनी पढ़ाई की तरफ आते हैं। बहुत सारे दिन हो गए, बहुत सारी छुट्टियां हमें गुजारते हुए काफ़ी सारे दिन हो गए। तो अब जो है वो हम अपनी पढ़ाई की तरफ आते हैं। तो सबसे पहले मैं आपको introduction दूंगी. Now we are going to start new session. So congratulations to you have a new class. First of all, I introduce your science book. This is your science book. Afaq Sensory Science based on national curriculum class 7. This is your science book. Let's see carefully. This is your science book. Okay. Now the content of this book. Content of this book. Okay. This is the content of your book. Different science basically divided into three main branches, biology, chemistry and physics. So some chapters are in physics portion, some in chemistry and some in biology portion. So total is the physics portion, total chapter 7 include in physics portion. The first one is science and scientific method, forces and machine, transmission of heat, dispersion of light, circuits and electric current, sound waves, investigating the space. And the remaining 3 chapters are included in biology, human organ system, transport in humans and plants, reproduction in plants, environment and feeding relationship. Total 4 chapters are included in biology portion, and the 4 chapters are included in chemistry portion. 3 chapters are included in chemistry portion, structure of an atom, physical and chemical changes, water. Total chapter is 14. Okay, total chapter is 14, 7 in physics portion, 4 in biology and 3 in chemistry portion. Now half chapters are divided, half chapters include in midterm and half chapters are included in final term. 14 chapters are divided into 2 portions. The first half is midterm and the second half is final term. So the your syllabus of midterm exam is this one. Physics portion, unit number 1, science and scientific method. Unit number 2, forces and machine. Unit number 4, dispersion of light. Now the biology portion, unit number 8, human organ system. Unit number 9, transport in human and plants. Unit number 12, structure of an atom. Unit number 13, physical and chemical changes and processes. These chapters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. These are included in midterm syllabus and the remaining portion included in final term syllabus. So, उम्मीद है कि आप लोगों को समझ आ गया होगा कि फर्स्ट टर्म एंड final term syllabus, what is your first term syllabus and what is your final term syllabus. So first of all, your work is first you make the copies, start with the title page of the midterm and then write the syllabus. So today homework is your write down the midterm syllabus in the copies and just to make neat and clean your midterm title page and the syllabus of your copy. So the school will provide worksheets to check your previous work and you remember your old things before you start a previous work, before you start a new work. So you collect your worksheets from school, complete it and submit it to school Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.